Today, we're turning an ordinary knife into a beautiful gold-plated gift, perfect for friends, family, or any special occasion. Let's go! Welcome to Aurum Collectio. Thanks for watching. Today I'm doing something a little different than I normally do. I'm actually electroplating a knife blade into 24 karat gold to create a special gift for some friends. I've always thought it'd be super cool to have like a gold-bladed knife in my hobby room, just as a display piece in the corner, you know? So when I decided to make something for my annual hunting trip this year, this seemed like the perfect time to do this. Just imagine the look on your hunting buddy's face when they unwrap a stunning gold-plated knife at the end of a long and hopefully successful trip. I mean, what better way to end? I started by finding a knife that I liked, and I made sure that it has a stainless steel blade. This one is made by Hunt Shield, and the blade is made from an Oz 8 stainless. I'm going to start by cleaning and prepping every part of the knife that I'm going to electroplate. I'm also going to seal any of the porous parts on the wooden handle just to try to prevent any excess solution from absorbing into it. Because I'm plating onto stainless steel today, I'm going to be adding a new solution to our process. The product is called Wood's Nickel Strike. I picked it up from a company called Gold Plating Solutions. This will allow us to plate onto the stainless steel blade and tang without having any adherent issues down the road. Okay, the blade is ready to go. All the stainless has been polished to a highly reflective and shiny state. This is going to make the gold we plate onto the blade look awesome. The knife will start in the electro cleaner to give it a final clean. Then it will be dipped into Wood's Nickel Strike to prep the surface for proper adhesion. Oz 8 stainless is a good quality steel for sure, but I really do not want any corrosion issues down the line with this gift, so I'm going to plate the parts in nickel first and then finish it with 24K gold. So the blade plating actually went really well. I kept it in the electric cleaner for roughly 30 seconds, and then I did about the same 30 seconds in the Wood's Nickel Strike. I plated it for roughly 2 minutes in the nickel, and then I did it for 3 minutes in the 24 karat gold. As you could tell, I wasn't able to fit the entire knife into my plating setup, so I ended up having to flip it over and redo the same process to plate the entire tang. I also covered the rivets in a clear varnish just to prevent them from plating. I thought the contrast between the stainless and the gold might look nice in the final product. Even right out of the gold bath, the knife looked great. There were a few minor imperfections on the tang, but I was easily able to wet sand them down without any issues. I then gave it a nice polish, and it turned out fantastic. The gold blade catches the light beautifully, and the wooden handle is still flawless even after being exposed to the solutions. I was especially impressed with how well the engraved logo pops with the gold plate on top of it. It gives me a bunch of cool ideas for future projects for sure. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making this golden blade. I cannot wait to see it up on display. If you've watched up until this point and enjoyed the content, I would love a comment or a thumbs up. Both are greatly appreciated and help me grow the channel. Thank you. I'll see you guys after my trip. Till next time, folks.